हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल कैप्सूल कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड इनसाइट्स। मेरा नाम है नवीन एंड टुडे इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू गेट जॉब एज ए फ्रेशर. So most of the students are thinking about how can I get a job in my college. There are no placement, there are no campus interviews. Then how I can find a job? So here in this video I am going to say some of the ways that you can get your first job with a good salary package and also from a reputed pharma companies. So don't wait and let's get into today's video. Friends, the first thing you need to do is to build an effective resume. So in order, first step in getting a job is to build an effective resume. So build your resume with including all your positives and all the activities you have done during the 4 years of B Farm or 6 years of your Farm D, and also include all the participation activities you have done and also your examination score, everything in a proper way with a photograph. And it is also advisable to put your LinkedIn profile in your resume. It will attract job giver. So the next thing you need to do to get a job as a fresher is register in the job portals. So there are several job portals in which you can get a job easily if you have an effective resume. So the first thing is to build an effective and attractive resume, and the second thing is you need to register in job portals by applying and uploading your resume in the job portals like Naukri and LinkedIn. So Naukri is one of the best platform for getting a job as a fresher, guys. So do have a Naukri account and upload your all the details and also the areas of your interest in the job portal along with your effective resume. And the next thing is to have a LinkedIn profile. Guys, do have a LinkedIn profile and follow most of the people in LinkedIn, because they are going to offer you a job if you are their connection, if you have the required skill. Because in LinkedIn regularly the connections or the job givers will post that I am hiring for the following position, interested candidates please message me or do message me, like that thing in LinkedIn it will be there. And in LinkedIn also there are separate job portal, that is job option portal in LinkedIn, where you can find jobs relevant to you, or you can also search for the jobs in it. So the first thing is to build an effective resume, and the second thing is to register in job portals like Naukri and also follow several people in LinkedIn in the areas you are interested in, so that you can find a job relevant to you. And the third thing is, in order to get a job, is improve your communication skills. So you have done your part for getting a job or searching a job. Sorry, before going to the third thing, the another thing you need to do is, I think you all may have a wish to work in a specific pharma company. So what you need to do in order to get a job in that company as a fresher is, you have to first of all register in their company's careers website. For every pharma company or a clinical research CRO company or a BPO company or Accenture, Cognizant, like this company, there will be careers website. For every company there will be a careers blog or a career portal. In that you need to register yourself and click to receive job notifications by uploading all your details and all your resume. So whenever there are openings in that company, that your dream company, they will mail you an email so that you can apply for that job at the first beginning, because you will get notified once the job is posted in that. So this is another way to get a job as a fresher, another and important way to get job as a fresher. And the fourth thing in order to get a job is to connect with your seniors. So whatever the seniors you have in your college, I mean from your college days, you need to follow them and you need to stay connected with them with good communication, because whenever there are vacancies in their companies, you must strike out in their mind at the first thing. The first point they must get in their mind is you. So have good communication with your seniors. They will definitely going to help you in getting your dream job. So these are the ways you can get a job. So you have applied a very attractive resume and also applied for the jobs and the various sources, you can get a job. And the last thing you do until you get a job is improve your communication skills. So improve your communication skills by improving your English proficiency, and also improve your skill set by learning computer software like MS Excel and other things which are very useful to you in your domain. or wherever you want to work. You can also do short-term courses like pharmacovigilance, medical coding, everything in order to not to waste your time and improve your skill until you get your dream job or your fresh job as a fresher. So these are the things you need to do to get a job as a fresher. And one thing I am going to warn you is never pay money for job, because they will cheat you, they will need money, they will loot money from you guys. They don't want to provide you a job, but they will attract you, that will give you an attractive job by taking the money, but it will never gonna happen. I have seen a lot of people who have been fooled by those people. So in this way you can get a job, guys. So getting a job is not much hard and not so easy also, but if you have a proper skill set, if you have a proper idea of where to apply for a job, like what I have said in the steps in this video, if you follow the steps, it will help you in getting a good job in a good company that you are wishing to join. I hope you like this video, guys. Do subscribe to our channel for regular updates related to pharma and life sciences. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. This is Naveen and